What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in, working on my smoker grill right now, and I wanted to bring y'all a few of my updates. So I got my bottom lip on. I got the rest of that stuff cut off. Now I got to seal those holes up. I got my bars in here for my Rex. So I still have a couple more things to do. About to have to break out the torch today to cut those holes out, and I'm gonna use it also to help me put some heat on the lid to kind of bend it back in. So that's what I got going right now. So it'll be coming along soon. Working with my small setup. Out here getting my hog on.